13 Woodworking projects that sell. Start a great side hustle doing something you love. Do you love woodworking? At some point you've probably filled up your house with every conceivable project. What next? Why not create and build woodworking projects that sell? These days it's so easy to sell stuff on the internet. If you can create amazing work, you can sell it. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Tissue holder. Easy to make and simple to market, this wooden tissue holder is a box with no bottom and a hole in the top. Sand and stain it or get your creative juices flowing and stencil holiday designs or freehand an ombre effect. Think about the design aesthetics in people's homes. For a beachy feel, add seashells. For a more industrial vibe, think about adding iron fittings to the corners. 2. Wine rack. Who doesn't love a good wine rack? This project only requires a bit of wood and some know-how. Start like you're creating a box, and just build up the 3 sides. Add an additional length at the bottom and cut slits wide enough to slide wine glass stems through, and add a single piece of wood across the front to keep bottles from falling off the shelf. This would make a great housewarming or wedding gift. 3. Coasters. Everyone needs coasters to protect their furniture from glass rings. Fortunately for you, these are super easy to make and you can do anything with them. You can wood burn them, laser cut them, or engrave them to customize for your customers. Additionally, you can stencil them and seal them with a nice clear coat. Don't forget to sand them down well so they don't scratch the surface of the table. 4. Cutting boards. Another item that every household needs to have is a cutting board. Many people love to give beautiful custom cutting boards as gifts, especially to the cooking lover. Again, these can be personalized with laser engraving or wood burning, but I really like the idea of gluing different types of woods together and then sanding and coating. That creates a cool, unique pattern that you won't find anywhere else. 5. Doormat. When it comes to woodworking projects that sell, it doesn't get much easier than this. All you need are thin pieces of wood that are all roughly the same size and some rope. Drill holes through the tops and bottoms of each wooden length and run your rope through them. Ta-da! An easy wooden doormat that people will love. 6. Sofa armrest table. Super easy and super functional, people won't even realize that they needed this until they see it. This armrest table fits over the sofa arm for instances when you don't have room for a side table, or if you prefer to not have one at all. This allows you to bust out your journal and have your cup of tea right next to you, without having to put it on the ground and risk kicking it over. Simple to construct with just a few pieces of wood and some elbow grease and you've got a product ready to take your craft fair by storm. 7. Trivets. Another super easy but profitable woodworking project are trivets. Trivets are meant to protect your table from hot dishes when serving them. These wooden ones are easy to make and feature a variety of different stains to keep them interesting. They're constructed similar to a pallet, with 2 supports running down the back that they're nailed to. 8. Kitchen utensils. These make awesome wedding gifts for the couple that has everything. You can whittle and carve these yourself, or you can buy in bulk and focus on the customization part. Offer custom etching to personalize them with the couple's names and wedding dates. Or, for holidays, you can use wood-burning stencils to add designs and sayings for gifts. 9. Record holder. Forget milk crates. Your customers will love these custom record holder racks and you'll love how easy they are to make. Record collecting is having a bit of a revival as of late, and what better way to display your collection than this easy to create a stand? Just 4 pieces of wood, constructed by wedging the side pieces into 45-degree angled notch. 10. Step stools. Step stools make great items to sell at craft fairs. You can churn them out pretty quickly with the right tools, a skill saw, some wood glue, and a nail gun. Sand them down and seal them or use chalkboard paint and distress them. Folks with farmhouse-influenced homes will love putting these in their bathrooms or using them as footrests. 11. Benches. The gorgeous benches can be big money. A lot of folks enjoy the raw edge look, so you don't have to go too crazy with the finish. You have options with legs. You can either construct totally out of wood or use steel brackets or hairpin legs. Whether you leave it as is with the raw edges or if you decide to stain, make sure you sand it down well, no one wants a splinter. 12. Upcycled pallet table. If you're looking for something that's low on the cost to make but has a high return, check out this pallet table. You can buy wooden pallets, but I'd recommend trying to hunt down used ones that you can upcycle. All you need to do is reinforce the structure of them, sand and stain, and add legs. Casters or hairpin legs bring together the rustic industrial vibe that a lot of people are looking for. 13. Wall sconces and lamps. Building a lamp is super easy. All you need for this one is a couple of pieces of reclaimed wood and a light swag kit. Simply drill a large enough hole into one of the pieces of wood and secure the light fixture. Add a cool Edison bulb for that rustic/industrial effect and watch your customers line up. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.